Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it because you guys are awesome, and I want you to be around because you're awesome. So cool, right? Okay. Today I'm going to do a look with, look how cool that packaging is, with the Tiger Wild Obsessions palette from Huda Booty. And it looks like this, which it looks a little different in the picture than it does in real life. I'm not used to working with this many golds and yellows and oranges, but I'm going to give it a go. In my Kissy Kiss shirt. Love the Kissy Kiss shirt. So we're going to do a look with this. And of course, I've done some magic swatches so we can see what it looks like on my bare skin. And with a 1, a 2, a 3, crunch. Bam. So it starts here. And it goes there. That is the swatches. It looks much better swatch than it does, I think, in the pan. And I know I'm going to be able to pull off something beautiful. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. I'm an enthusiastic singer. I'm not a good singer. Don't ever forget that I know that. Don't think that I don't know that a little bit of torture any time of the day is welcome. A little bit of torture is cool. I'm going to start with this kind of, I don't know what kind of color, that color, like a pale mustard, and put that in my crease. It's like a old mustard, but it's a pale mustard. And this should really make my eyes pop because I have the green eyes. Green-eyed lady, boo, 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 boo. Sexy lady. Oh my God. I had some shrimp for lunch. It's gone straight to my head. You know how that shrimp does you. Oh my God. This needs to be kicked up a notch. All right, we've got the crease color down. And so far, it's not very exciting. See, it's got all these really neat gold colors, but I'm not used to that. So I'm gonna go into this chocolatey brown. It's kind of a red chocolate. It's got a lot of red in this brown. But it's going on nice. I'm going into it kind of soft because I don't want it to be too harsh because everything's going to be pretty shiny in a minute. Green-eyed lady, green-eyed woman, child. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? I'm slowly losing it. But it's okay. I didn't have that much to start with. I'm going to go into this. This center color has a shift to it. It looks like it's just a nice pale color, but it's like a shimmer. And I'm gonna put that on the inside corner. And it comes out a little pink with a little gold shift. Let's put that down. I don't know if you can see it that well though. Let's do it with the other side now. It doesn't seem to match anything at all. But it's pretty. just pink out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, they decided to put pink with a little gold shift. Right, it's definitely coming out pink. And I'm going to go in with my index finger again, and I'm going to get into this gold here. And put it on the lid. It's really beautiful. I'm going to build it up a little. It's very pretty. There's another gold shimmer that's here, but it's more of a greeny gold. I didn't want to do that. So far, so weird. It's just weird. This is a weird color palette. I'm going to go into this shimmery chocolate brown. Let's see if I can darken up the outer corner a little bit. You might be able to hear sweet little Ruby making great little purry squirrel noises. She's in the closet in here, just being weird. She's good at it. She comes by honestly in this family. Little weirdness never hurt nobody. And this is okay looking. I bet you some liner and mascara will pull this together. I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush, which seems to blend it away a little bit. That's pretty. So I think the liner and the mascara will make all the difference, and I'll be right back. And voila, the mascara and liner really has pulled this look together. It's very pretty now. It's much prettier than I anticipated it would look. And let's do a little lippy with Family Jewels from, or maybe something else. Oh, this is pretty. And this is Unicorn Blood, I think. Yeah, Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star. This will look great with this. And this looks perfect with this look. So the Unicorn Blood totally is rocking it today. I want to thank you so much for being with me here. I hope that you've enjoyed this. This palette is something I would probably not purchase again, even though I was able to pull off a pretty look, because it's just really so bold and gold. And I'm not really a gold kind of gal, but it worked. I got it to work, and that's all that's important, right? That's all that's important. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.